I just utot.
I'm not pooping, I just utot.
So this is the difference between the Philippines and Australia, yeah? See, in Australia, kapag meron kang lupa, it's considered bastos kung ilagay mo ang mga gamit mo sa lupa ng iba. Pero dito sa Pilipinas, hindi. Okay, look. Oh no! People just put stuff on our driveway. And it doesn't matter here. Because that's okay to do. It's considered courtesy on my part as the landowner to allow people to put stuff here while I'm not using it. But in Australia, if you put your stuff on someone else's property, they'll be really angry about it, and they'll make you take it off, or they'll destroy your stuff. So you see someone's planted a garden on our driveway here. Someone's left those crates on our driveway as well. Now, if I was to go to these people and say, hey, get off my property, it would make me the bad guy. They would see me as a rude, inconsiderate person. Opay nga aga, bossing. Nagpan ka mo, nag-fiesta. Nag-fiesta.
Death anniversary.
Death anniversary. Sa ngayon. People just, use our block while we're not using it, put stuff on it, have parties on it, and things like that. Build a big tent on it. And it's just common courtesy for us to be okay with that. So, iba talaga dito sa Pilipinas. Naninibago ako. Pero laging sinasabi ni Shanta na, sige lang, kasi when we start building na, kailangan alisin na yung mga trash nila, bawal na sila mag-party dito, magpatayo ng tent, bawal sila maglagay ng kalabaw dito sa lupa namin. Kasi ginagamit na ang lupa. So, yun. Tingnan nyo, ito yung sunrise. O, diba? Ganda na yung sunrise, no? Ayaw ko lang dito is mga power lines na nandun. Pero sige lang. Maganda pa rin yung view ng mga bundok. Diba? Ganda. So, I can imagine waking up every morning. Tapos, lalabas ako ng bahay. And then seeing this fantastic view. It is amazing. Absolutely amazing. That's a rice field. Hindi amin yan. Kay Tito Boy Blue yung rice field na yan. So Shanta's uncle. So it stops right here on the edge there. Goes all the way down there. Boom. To that driveway there. That driveway is not ours. So it ends right there on that driveway. 1 acre siya. 1 acre block of land. Medyo kinakabahan ako dito sa lupa namin kasi all this overgrowth stuff means maraming ahas siguro pwedeng papunta dito. Hindi ko alam kung may mga ahas na nagtatago ngayon. So I'm gonna start cleaning up the block of land. Gusto ko sana i-maintain yung lupa namin, pero kung i-maintain ko para maganda siya tingnan, maraming papunta dito, maraming magagamit. Halimbawa, I plant Kalabaw grass everywhere. I don't want people like bringing their Kalabaw here so the Kalabaw can make a swimming hole. May mga Kalabaw swimming holes done. Someone keeps bringing their Kalabaw here and they've made swimming holes for them on the property. Yeah, so yung mga ganun lang. I think kung may bahay na kami at may alad na around the property, that's not gonna happen anymore. So I guess sa ngayon, it's okay naman kasi hindi pa namin ginagamit. Pero yun lang yung realization ko dito sa Pilipinas. If you're a foreigner here and you own land, you've got to adjust to the culture. And after talking to my neighbors and getting to know them, they're nice people. They're nice enough people. So, hinayaan ko. Kasi you have to factor in, mahirap din yung buhay nila. Mahirap din. So if they need a place to put their stuff, if they need a place to have a celebration, a death anniversary party, go for it. Just don't destroy the land. Anong almusal natin, pre?
Ano pa? Alin fried na baboy.
Ang fried baboy?
Fried shrimp.
Kulawi daw.
Wow. Sa liwat. Kagabi laka mo nag-set up ini.
This beautiful life.
Shanta, may gumagamit sa lupa natin.
Hayaan mo. Di pa naman tayo gumagamit.
Paano kung nagpatayo sila ng bahay kubo?
Bahay kubo? Yung bahay kubo namumupa kaya.
May mga...
Kain tayo. Niluto ni Chef Kalabaw.
Wow.
Sana all. Okay lang yan. Don't worry.
So, paano yung mga tanim? Di ba nagtanim sila?
Kukunin mo, tapos bibigay mo sa kanila.
Ganun ba?
Or kukunin nila yan. Pag magbibuild na, hindi na yan sila, kukunin na nila yan yung mga tanim nila or bibigay nila sa atin. Kasi ano lang naman yan. Hindi yan permanent na mga buildings or gano'n. Okay lang yan.
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may Phil Talk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, Phil Talk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to Phil Talk today.
Hey, Dwantro Fam, umuulan ngayon. Kasama ko ang mga aso. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mga pusa. Oh. Umuulan. Grabing ulan. Nitro, what's wrong, buddy? What's the matter? Come here. Come on. Come to daddy. Daddy pick you up? Daddy pick you up. It's raining, yeah, it's raining. Umuulan na. Oh, wow. Gusto ko yung ulan actually kasi hindi mainit, no? Raining, Nitro. Oh, it's raining. Oh, there's another doggy there. Oh. Alright guys, so ito yun. Magandang ulan, nakaka-relax. You like the rain?
I like rain and daddy.
You like the rain over there? Yeah?
I want to go there.
You want to go there? Okay, in the rain? We go in the rain? Oh, you go in the rain. We're gonna go in the rain, ready?
I want to go this way.
You want to go this way?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go this way. Oh, let's go this way. Oh, it's raining. You really want to pray?
Yeah, I got wet.
Yes, you got wet. Oh, you said you wanted to. You said gusto mo. Ayaw mo pala eh. Oh, is it ouchie?
Yeah,
Oh, sorry, baby.
Sorry.
We'll wipe it off, okay? We'll go inside and wipe it off.
Red.
Okay, we'll go inside and wipe it off. Look, mommy. Look. Tell mommy. You tell mommy. Look, mommy, I'm wet.
I'm wet. Oh, you're wet. Did you take a bath?
You went in the rain, didn't you?
Mommy, I'm...
Nacho's wet from the rain. Alright, wipe it off with the towel, okay? Come on. So here's your towel, buddy. Nacho, here's your towel. Let's wipe it off. Come on. Wipe the arm. Wipe the arm. There we go. All done. Hey Nacho, can you say bye, guys?
Bye, guys.
Ayun lang po, Dwantro Fam, update sa lupa namin. And we will see you sa sunod na video ng Dwanta. At saka, kung gusto niyo maging member ng channel, VIP member, meron kayong exclusive access to VIP content, VIP videos, at saka VIP live streams din kung gusto niyo sa YouTube. Ayun, so sign up na kayo. Golden Dwantro Fam, Silver Dwantro Fam, kahit anong gusto nyo. It will allow you to get access to the children's book we're making for Nitro and the comic book. Ayan. Okay guys, bye for now.